dito ka, Han. Dito ka, Han. Dito ka, Han. You understand? Ay, Lord help me.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Ano na, guys? 9:30 na. Kanina pa kami nagising. Yung asawa ko tulog na tulog. Saka tignan nyo ito si Hab at saka si Dimples. Ada is making pancake, baby. Tignan Han, the two of them, Han. They hear you something. Have a cellophane. Coming in. Spring started today. Pero alam nyo, guys, spring siya, guys. Pero it still feels so wintry over here. Like snowing. We still have snow on the ground. Meron pang snow sa ground, guys. And then mag-snow na naman. At saka yung temperature sobrang ginaw. Usually spring is like, you know, I know it's spring already because I can see the leaves, the baby, the flower of the, yung asawa ko, guys, hatching na naman. Yung leaves, tumutubo na sila. So spring na talaga. So yun, wala na tayong magawa. Hindi na yan mapigilan, guys. Kailangan ko ng sweater. Yung sinuot ko kahapon, yun na lang yung anuhin ko kasi hindi ko naman siya na sinusuot ng ano. Hala, si Habs pala yung umiyak. Bantay, guys, hold on. Ito, bihis na ako. Same sweater lang. Kasi nagamit ko ito kahapon. Ano lang, madalian lang. And then I take it out. Sobra yung ginaw, guys. So, nag-adjust na din ako dahil yung ginaw. Shut that light off. Sino yung umiiyak dito? Ikaw yun, bag? Ikaw yun iyak-iyak, bag? Did you hear Habs crying? Crying like crazy up in the stairs. Like somebody tried to kill him. Let me see your consistency, Han.
A little thicker.
Huh?
I thinned it out so much.
What, you gonna add a little bit more?
A little bit more.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I think this is really good.
Yeah, it's too thin.
Seriously?
Yeah.
You have to mix it properly, Han, because I can still see a bulky part of.
Well, right now I'm just getting the scissors.
Okay, I think that's really it.
Usually I can feel it because I do it with a fork, but
You have to kind of like make it. You have to make it stronger, Han.
well.
Huh?
It would have been a dead giveaway anyway. But I couldn't get in the car. So even if I believed you, that would have gave you away.
You did it, Han.
And I put the seat all the way forward?
Yeah, you changed it for me.
Okay.
Really. He's confused, guys, why the car is forward. He's not backing up. He used to backing up. You know, he used to park in the garage. You know, back up. There's no way I did the car like this. And he forgot he really did it yesterday.
Yeah, because again.
Han, you want some?
No, thanks.
Sarap nito, guys. Sarap nito. We're heading to Home Depot to return. Remember the other day? I don't know when was that, Han? Thursday, we went to Home Depot to pick up some pressure cooker.
What? Cooker?
Oh, what is that, Han?
Circulator pump?
Circulator pump.
Oxygen torch?
Yeah, oxygen torch. And this oxygen torch, how much did they sell it, Han?
$65.
65, right?
Yeah.
$65. And it doesn't work. Time we use it, dead.
It's crap.
Yeah. And then we return it.
I have a real oxygen 70 torch, but
Yeah. Yung signal, my love.
I should have just gone out to the welding place over here.
lot in the Philippines to return like that, and it's open. Even though if it's returned, they won't return it. Like even if you return, they will accept, but you have to replace it the same thing. They won't return your money back. Over here, it's a different way.
Well, I'm not looking for the money back. I'm looking for a
better product, yeah.
They're a good thing for regular.
Yeah, but I'm just seeing, comparing here to sa Pilipinas. Iba talaga sa atin, guys.
Like a regular propane torch or map gas, they're fine. For some reason, this maybe it's just a bad one, but it sucks.
Yeah.
The regulars, the cold, the shit.
So you're on. Huh?
Look, you locked the garage while we're around.
Garage what?
I don't know what the garage.
What did you want?
Lock the garage.
Can I just like...
I don't hear you properly. I mean, I asked you. You have to say properly, hon.
What do you think I might have been talking about with the garage? Even if you only heard the word garage, what do you think I might have been saying?
I think that's yeah, I think
Probably
that's
for snow or skiing.
I don't think so. Maybe it's for the hiker.
I don't know. It looks like a ski ramp.
Hi guys. I was sleepy, guys. Dun sa taas natutulog ako. It's not long, right? It's not that long I went to sleep, right? Close my eyes. I closed my eyes, guys, but Habs went upstairs because Tommy let the cat. Habs. Si Habs, pinasaka niya sa taas, guys. So it just keep crying on my ear. You won't stop. So I get up. I'm tunugon kay ko, guys. As in, I was sleepy. Hindi na pa si Tommy dyan, guys. Hindi pa natatapos. What?
It's like watching paint dry.
You just go turn over there and then turn again to out here. Ay nako, Tommy. Where the heck are you going?
You should turn.
I said turn over somewhere over here.
Yeah.
What the frick? Like you don't know where to go.
Over there.
Jesus
Well, I do
Christ.
know, but you tell me you like there, so. Alright.
It's like you go over there now. Stop here. You can go. Okay, guys. Mga besh. Ganito yung life ka, besh.
We go right, left.
Left. Ang Tommy. Oh my God, my husband God. This is like mga
We came
besh.
up from the other side.
Mga besh. Ito yung life ko, mga besh, with my babish. Ganito besh. Mga besh. Mga beshi. Kalalabas lang namin sa Walmart, guys. Tommy takes forever. 100 years. Always 100 years with that. Always with Tommy, guys. Shopping. Expect the unexpected. 100 years from now. Walahan, there's a car.
Yeah, I see him.
Hala, he fly. Hala. Because you are everywhere, Tommy. Stay in your lane. That woman is just flying. That woman just...
Now she's cutting out to this lane because she thinks Mercedes or something. Now she's cutting back.
Yeah, she's
Now she's going to be
stupid.
pissed off behind me again and cut over again.
Let's see what she's going to do. The woman behind us is like stupid, guys.
Now she's looking for what fell off the seat where she was zipping around trying to get around that way.
Yeah. She's trying to kiss crazy drivers. Kailangan talaga, guys, mag-pay attention, guys, kasi marami mga kulikobots. Daming loko-loko, guys. Mag-drive, guys. Sis, ginoo ko, guys. Maluka ka na lang. Dito kahan. You understand? You understand as in dito kahan. Oh my God, you understand dito? Hala, watch out with this truck. This truck. Man.
What's the difference?
That woman is
She's behind us.
following us. I think she's trying to follow us. Just drive careful. trying to speed you over there. She's trying to fucking go on your side.
I'm gonna try and go on my side. She can
Cups.
get around me now.
Yeah, Cups. Yeah, she's over there. Oh my god, she is really nuts. She's nuts, hon.
She can pull over in front of us.
Oh, nuts it. Wala pa kaming mga kain, besh. Gutom, besh. 3 o'clock na ng hapon, besh. Walang kain. Magniwang na ako nito. Hala. Han, magniwang na ako. It's already 3 o'clock, Han. You don't feed me, I'm gonna be niwang-niwangi. Magniwang na ako nito. Did you see your wife, fat is fat? Now I'm gonna lose a lot of weight.
In the shop right before we've been in and out of there in 20 minutes, 15 minutes.
ShopRite?
Yeah.
I don't like ShopRite.
Walmart takes 2 hours.
I don't like ShopRite. You think ShopRite is faster?
Yeah, absolutely. A deli? Hi.
ShopRite in our area over here, I don't think so.
Ordered it online and got it quicker.
They will give you an expired one.
No.
Sabi ko pa sa asawa ko mga bishi.
And then medical.
Ha? Turn here! Exit here! What? Why you have to brush your hair? You're in the car. Oh my god, it's just like...
Time to brush it, but it's not.
Slow down, brake! Brake, Tommy, brake. It's a hill area. So it's like... The car can just keep running even though you brake it. Ay, Lord help me. Sabi ko pa sa kanya mga bishi. Let's go home, I still have to play. What did you say? Don't get me started.
Oh, get me started.
It's okay. What are you trying to say, really?
Glasses holder.
That's what you use
Oh,
for
you're always
driving.
looking for a place to put your sunglasses. That's where you put them.
What's the point of being having that over there?
I don't know. It's all the place. What do you call it? Your insurance card, your license, whatever.
Or receipt over there. I think. Right?
Okay.
It's really hot now. It's supposedly all the time, all the things here. This is go downstairs.
Oh, keep them on.
Yeah, I know. Not everything says fire up. Another chicken. Don't forget your banana, huh? Tommy?
I thought you wanted that.
I'll have some too. Then you have to. Don't forget your salad here. And you have salad here, Han. Oh. You make this, right? The sandwich. Sarap ng streaming. Gutom ako guys, alas 3 ng hapon guys. Gutom. Basta gutom kaon. Tangtangon ang bra. Para mo, luag-luag ba para para pumasok yung pagkain dito. Hindi mabara. Yung bra kasi mabara. Yung asawa ko, tamis, doing some sandwich. So he's making sandwich. Kami sa aisle. Hindi pala alam ng mga Tagalog kung ano yung humba. Or alam ninyo. I don't know. You guys let me know. Kung alam ba ninyo, kung alam ba ng Tagalog yung humba. I don't know. I'm not sure. Hi guys. It's 8 o'clock na. Tamis here. Nakatulog ako guys. Halahan is still the news. Dami. Why? What is this?
Bad potatoes.
Yeah, I know, but why is it red? Yellow. Yeah?
Leg.
Huh?
Leg.
Bed?
Leg.
Leg, yes, thank you. Bed. Nakatulog ako guys. Grabe kasi sakit ng puson ko. Nakatulog and then... Ha, did you feed the animals?
Yes.
Oh, what a good baby. Feed the kids.
Every day.
Feed the kids.
Everything is just
Feed my baby. What did you give them? What did you give them?
Turkey and some salami.
That's why they ate, hun.
And I gave them food too. Look, the food empty. The dish empty.
Chicken from the same thing usual.
Another one I brought up from ShopRite. A few pieces left from ShopRite.
So Tommy is not working, texting because it's closed. The place that he's working is closed. He texted him. Who ate here?
Good, right?
Yes. Who ate here? A little bit, hun. Very little bit, boy. Too short?
Like you some rice, we have mashed potatoes too.
Yeah, oh yeah, forget it. There's a mashed potato.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello. Hmm? Why is it so hot down here? Guys, it's the first day of spring. Fan.
And we're expecting 18 degrees now.
Yeah. There's snow coming. Really bad. No, it's not a...
No, it's nice.
It's like it's crazy. Sammy's making plating. We're doing that. Yes, masakit kasi yung puson ko guys. As in, sobrang sakit. And then, Tammy went upstairs and he put a heating pad on my down here. So freaking so painful. I took some Aleve. Usually Aleve works really fast guys, pero hindi tumalab. Sakit pa rin. Kain muna kami guys, mamaya na lang. Hi guys, ano na guys, 10 o'clock na, 9:58 na ng gabi. And katatapos lang namin nanonood ng movie. What movie was that?
The Graduate.
The Graduate. It's a weird love story. I never see that freaking movie. And after that, I went downstairs. Oh my god, guys. Hello. Tommy tried to fix the cat cutter. Animal haircut machine, whatever. Buzzer. So, I just went downstairs to clean up also the leather. And I forgot I have to make a thumbnail pala, guys, para bukas. Hindi ako sleepy dahil doon. Talaga naman. Tommy's watching a weird channel. I'm going to end this vlog na, guys, kasi mag-edit naman ako at saka gabi na at saka matutulog na din kami later. Pagkatapos ko, baka maglaro pa din ako mamaya. Tapusin ko muna itong dapat kong kailangan gawin, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Night night, my love.
Hi guys.
Night guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bukas maaga kami. Oh, did I told you that Tommy walang trabaho dahil sa snow? Yeah, I did. But maaga kami bukas kasi maaga yung ano ng ina niya. So, ihatid namin siya. Sobrang aga talaga. Thank you guys. See you bukas. Bye. Good night.